Welcome, my dear followers. Before proceeding to the video, I request you to subscribe to the channel. Today I will give you a recipe for palace pudding from Turkish cuisine. First, add sugar and 1 egg yolk with 200 milliliters glass measure. Mix it well. Where are you watching me from? Please leave a comment. Add 1 liter of milk to it. Stir until the sugar dissolves. We do not boil it. Yes, put the syrup aside. Now comes the tricks. Add 100 grams of butter to the pan. We add a glass of flour to the melted butter. Stir fry on low heat. Be careful, just fry until the smell of flour is gone. Be careful not to burn the flour. Yes, it had color and consistency in 4 minutes. Gradually add the syrup you prepared on it. Mix until thickened. Boiled and began to thicken. Stir constantly. Turn off the stove. Prepare it like this to make it smoother. Add a packet of vanilla for fragrance. Yes, the consistency is like this. It smells like. Take it to the serving plate. If you make it on a glass serving plate, you need to wet the plate. 2 hours later, add coarsely chopped walnuts. I want to show you the consistency. You should definitely try this flavor from Turkish cuisine. Thanks for watching me. See you in new video. Bon appetit!